A welcoming backyard can become the perfect place for relaxed dinners, movie nights, celebrations, and casual get-togethers. These 15 gift ideas help backyard entertainers cook, serve, keep guests comfortable, and make every gathering more memorable. Quick note before we begin. Some links in this video are affiliate links. If you make a purchase, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. We'll begin with practical upgrades that make it easier to prepare food, serve cold drinks, and create an inviting place where everyone can gather. The Garvey smokeless fire pit creates a cozy centerpiece for backyard conversations and cool evenings outdoors. Its wood-burning design adds the warmth and atmosphere of a traditional fire, while helping reduce unwanted smoke. This spacious rolling cooler keeps plenty of drinks chilled and conveniently within reach. The wheeled design makes it easy to move around the patio, while the built-in bottle opener and ice scoop add extra convenience for the host. The Big Horn outdoor pizza oven turns homemade pizza into part of the entertainment. Its portable design makes it a fun addition to backyard dinners, family gatherings, and casual evenings with friends. This cordless portable ice maker provides fresh ice wherever the party is happening. Rechargeable batteries make it especially useful for patios, picnics, camping trips, and other places where an electrical outlet may not be nearby. A comfortable Adirondack chair gives guests a relaxing place to sit around the fire, enjoy a drink, or settle in for a long conversation. Its folding design also makes seasonal storage and rearranging the patio easier. This outdoor grill cart adds valuable preparation space beside a grill or pizza oven. Cabinets, shelves, hooks, and wheels help keep cooking tools and serving supplies organized while allowing the cart to move wherever it is needed. A rolling bar cart makes it easy to bring beverages, glassware, and serving supplies directly to guests. The built-in wineglass rack and open shelves create a stylish drink station that can move around the entertaining area. The next gifts help create the kind of backyard where guests can pour a drink, stay warm after sunset, and settle in for a relaxing evening outdoors. This two-piece glass dispenser set allows hosts to serve two different beverages at the same time. The clear containers showcase colorful lemonade, tea, punch, or fruit-infused water while letting guests serve themselves. The Pamela propane patio heater provides comforting warmth when the temperature begins to drop. Its tall glass flame enclosure also creates an attractive focal point that adds atmosphere to the outdoor seating area. This 1080p projector can transform an ordinary backyard into an outdoor movie theater. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity make it easy to enjoy movies, sporting events, and special video presentations on a larger screen. These Bluetooth speakers combine wireless music with the warm appearance of flickering lanterns. They bring sound, lighting, and atmosphere to dinner parties, quiet evenings, and festive backyard gatherings. Now we'll look at gifts that brighten the patio, help guests stay cool, and add easy entertainment for both children and adults. Brightone solar string lights add a warm glow above a patio, pergola, fence, or backyard dining area. Because they recharge with sunlight, they create inviting evening illumination without needing a nearby electrical outlet. This outdoor misting fan combines cooling airflow with a refreshing fine mist. Its adjustable height, oscillating design, and remote control help make hot weather gatherings much more comfortable. The Gosports Cornhole set brings a familiar backyard game to parties, cookouts, and family celebrations. The boards pack into a carrying case, making the set easy to store or take along to another gathering. The Causeway Jumbo Fortiscore game adds oversized fun that children and adults can enjoy together. Its colorful pieces and simple rules make it an easy activity for family parties, neighborhood gatherings, and friendly competitions. Thanks for watching Best Finds by Pamela. If one of these gifts belongs on your list, leave a comment and tell me your favorite. And subscribe for more thoughtfully curated gift ideas.